Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use as fillet and variable fillet command in CATIA. Okay, today discuss here two important point you can see here. First is as fillet and second is variable fillet. Okay, today you can see here CATIA lecture 22 is discussed here. CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today discuss here two point is two very editing command. This is a two command is fillet command is also editing command. This is a very important in editing parts, editing 3D design in CATIA software. And 2.2 command is discussed here. First is ask fillet and second is variable fillet. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a create a 3D design help of a rectangle. Okay, help of a rectangle and a pad. 3D command is use a pad, and this is a already a 3D model is designed, and this use a fillet command. Okay, this is a as fillet, and this fillet is how to work in this 3D 3D models, and you can see here. Okay, first is as fillet definition. Radius is 5 mm and object is fillet, and object is not selection but any object selection. You can see here this edge is select any edge, no problem, but this edge is select, and radius is increase and decrease. Okay, this is increase, radius is 10. Okay, also this is a 20, enter. Okay, and double click here, this is a 10. Okay, and this is a 10 mm. Okay, this is a as fillet work in this model. Okay, and you can see here double click, this as is double click here, and this is a as fillet definition is pop up. Okay, and this is a tangency also is a minimal is also use you can see here this is a preview is showing here, and also okay, this is a as fillet is use a minimal. Okay, and also you can see also a select other as this and also this. Okay, this is a fillet command in use a also select a. Okay, this is a and select a this as and this as and also this as select here. Okay, this is a as command of use. This project is very look very good looking here, and this 3D project is a okay, and this is a zoom in, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and also second is variable fillet. Okay, and this is a undo. Okay, and also one is undo. Okay, this is a variable fillet is used here, and this is a variable radius fillet. Okay, and first is a same here, first is radius 5 mm, and as fillet. At first select as, and this is a select here full fill, and this is a minimal and tangency. First is, you can see here, tangency, and this point is select here, and this point is 2 point. You can see here, first is a this point, and second is a this edge point. Okay, and this point is a change here 10. Okay, also, and you can see here preview is showing here. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, and this is a okay. This is a variable fillet is used in CATIA software, and this use a this solid body. You can see here fillet command in use this solid body. Okay, okay, and double click here, size is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a 20. Okay, and this is a 15, this is a 10. Okay, double click here and increase the value is 10, increase the value is 10. This is a double click here, increase the value is 20. Okay, and you can see here preview is showing here. Okay, and select OK. This is a variable fillet. And also a very important point, this point is double click here. Okay, double click here, and this point is a select a point. Okay, okay, next point is use. Okay, this point, this edge is use here. Okay, okay, at first select a point. Okay, and this point is a select here, and this is a any. Okay, click here. So okay, this is a point, and okay, you can see here this is a point is select and use a fillet, and at first select this edge, and size is both side is 20, but and this is a size is 10. Okay, okay, size is 10, but second point is you can see here second point is not select, second point is this line. Okay, and this is also a 10, size is increase 20. Okay, and you can see here preview is showing here, this is a preview, and this is a this. Okay, as fillet is used, and this double click here, and this is a cubic, but a linear is also, you can see here preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a linear, but this point is a cubic shape is different. Okay, this is a curve is drawing here, but linear is a line. Okay, this is a line, and you can see here cubic is a this preview is showing here, this is a curve. Okay, okay guys. Okay, and this variable fillet and use a fillet is used, and two command is discussed here. Okay, okay, first is as fillet, and second is variable fillet is complete here, and next lecture is coming, 33 is coming soon, and next lecture is also a fillet command. Okay, okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.